Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Psych 45, our face-to-face section for Saturday, February 4th. Just going to go over a few items and reminders and clarifications, anything I think you need to know to stay on top of things. I've said a lot of these things already in our face-to-face lectures, but just to kind of remind you, here we go again. First up here, your most recent quiz on chapter 4 that was in class on Thursday, and I did post a score for that, so do take a look at your scores. I'll hand those back to you when we return to class on Tuesday. And also the discussion for chapter 4 that was due yesterday there on Friday, and most of you did a really nice job with that, so I was pleased to see the effort that you have there. Next up here, as you know, you have your first unit exam this coming Tuesday on the 7th. As I showed you in class, there is a study guide there at the bottom of the Unit 1 module right above the notice about the exam, so do take a look at that study guide. You'll find two areas there at the bottom of the chapter 3 information and at the bottom of the chapter 4 information that are italicized with asterisks all around it. That's going to be the content that your two short answer essay questions are based on, so prepare that material well so when you get to those questions on your exam you can easily write in your answers there. So do prepare for that. I'm just giving you a heads up and not trying to hide anything. It's right there so you know what to do. Next up here, don't forget your MindTap assignments are due this coming Tuesday, February 7th at 5 p.m. Right as our exam starts there, so you can work up until that time, so make sure you get them submitted beforehand. Don't forget, you only get one chance to get the questions right on MindTap, so you get it wrong, you don't get a second chance. You just have to go on to the next question there, and it will take you some time to get through those, so please don't wait to the last minute, literally, because you may not have enough time to finish those there. And speaking about MindTap, as I said in class, and I posted on some announcements about this, the option to purchase the ebook with MindTap is now available there from our link using MindTap on our course page. I mean, finally, right? You know, I've been really whining about this, so that's finally set up there. So please make your purchase there if you're still on the trial access. And otherwise, you can get the book from the bookstore. There's a code that comes with that for you to use for access. And otherwise, I did post a separate announcement there that the free trial access to MindTap has been extended at least long enough so you can get your MindTap assignments submitted there. So please get them in by that time, because after Tuesday, they're going to pull the plug on that, and so you need to make sure you've got your paid access at that time. Don't forget when you come to the exam on Tuesday to bring that brown group form that I gave you when you first met with your groups there. That's going to be the thing you're going to turn in with grades on it there. Make sure you put some letter grades down for everybody in your group there so I can get all that, because you're going to grade everybody in your group and they're all going to grade you too, so keep that in mind. That's pretty much everything I wanted to say there, and sort of the game plan, as I mentioned in class on Thursday, the game plan for Tuesday for our exam. We're going to take the exam during the first 50 minutes, that's 5-0 of the class. Then when we're done with that, we're just going to go ahead and introduce our next section of material, beginning with chapter 5, which is all about how we get research participants in our studies. It's all about samples. And we're going to form our new groups, and that's pretty much all we're going to do on Tuesday, so just giving you a heads up. Alright, if you need anything in the meantime, please reach out via email on Canvas. I'll be glad to get back to you. Otherwise, I will see you in class for our exam on Tuesday, and best of luck on the exam. All right, take care until then. Bye-bye.